G'day Australia, Andy Roberts here. Well, we're at Mirboo North and we're at a little farm called, I think, Milleara Gardens. G'day boy. Yeah, so we're here on this property. We found it on an app called Hipcamps. Costs about $20 per person. You do have to be self-contained, although there is a toilet and there is a rainwater tank, so you can fill up your water tanks when need be. But the best thing to do is find a nice spot with some sun, and you get those get the rays onto your solar panels. So we've been here now for 5 nights, self-contained, filled up the water tanks a couple of times, and the best thing is you can have fires here, so they're just awesome. But anyway, I don't know if you can see her behind my shoulder there. She's one of the owner's dog. Yeah, very friendly. So let's go and have a look at this place. Milleara Gardens, and our host is Helen, and we found this place on Hipcamps. Here we're surrounded by 5 acres of really well kept and loved gardens with an abundance of bird life and colour. Now the sites are located on level ground, and these are for self-contained caravans or tents. Now this is a private area that is sheltered from the strong winds, and you're able to have small campfires and barbecues. Now the sites are well secured, so you're able to leave if you wish and travel around the beautiful South Gippsland area. Now we're only about 4 kilometres from the charming little town of Mirboo North. Here you can discover the country hospitality. You got the Lyrebird Forest Walk, which is probably about a half-hour bushwalk that's on the north entry of the town. Or just have a dip in the new town swimming pool, and that's pretty popular now with the families. We're only 45-minute drive to the coast of Inverloch, Tarwin Lower, and if you follow the South Gippsland Highway all the way to the pretty little towns of Minion, Foster, Tura, Port Welshpool and the historic Port Albert, and don't forget the Yarram towns. So this morning we thought we'll head off and just do some sightseeing around the place. We'll go and check out a place called Angus Falls. It's just up the road, probably about half an hour away, so yeah, let's go and check that out. Well, thanks for watching this review on Milleara Gardens. So, how do I rate it? Well, 10 out of 10 for location. The host, Helen, got to give it a 10 out of 10. Look, come and support these local property owners. These guys are offering up their properties to us, and it's a lot better than going to those big bloody caravan parks with the absorbent fees and the tiny little sites. So yeah, support Hipcamps, support these local property owners. And next week I'm going to be down at Balnarring foreshore campground. So we're there for about 8 weeks. So I'll do a little review on that as well. So anyway, like this channel, subscribe to it, really helps us out. All right. So we'll see you on the next one. G'day, Australia.